Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about Square sub-account app from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate different actions directly from your workflow app for your Square account. So how do we set it up? Inside your sub-account, you come here at the app marketplace and you search for the app Square, click on it, install, allow and install. There's a key required, the token. So in order to get it, you just have to switch to your Square account. Let's go on Square. Inside Square in applications, you can just come here and create a new token and follow the steps. But as you can see, we already have 3 tokens created here. So let's choose one. You open, we have the application ID here, and here we have access token. So let's go on show, we copy, paste, and continue. Select the plan, confirm, complete installation, and you have uninstall, which means that the app is already connected to your Square account and you guys are ready to go, ready to execute actions directly from your workflow app for your Square account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach us. Our support team is available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and welcome to GHL Plugin.